All right, guys, we're going to start in just a moment. I'm making sure that I'm live on the Twitter. All right, so pop out the chat. All right, we're going to get started in just a moment. Not sure where the volume is on this one. Okay. All right, so here we go. In 3, 2, and 1. Bingo bango. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time is your time. It's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where we show you how to successfully trade without all the complicated terms or pattern memorization. That stuff's boring. Nobody wants to do that. I show you how to trade in the most simplistic way, and I give you the reasoning behind it. Why do we do what we do? Oh, speaking about that, let me go ahead and share this with my group. If you want to be in a group that really does truly care about you, definitely go into my group. There, of course, we go over a whole bunch of stuff that's not only going to make you money, but protect your money. Very important. Let's see here. The lighting looks okay. I always have to adjust the lighting. But so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do this. We're going to get to this in just a moment. We're going to do Bitcoin first, like we always do. And then we're going to go to something that could possibly make us a lot of money, or we might need to wait. So more on that in just a moment. So one thing I do want to do is I want to go to the crypto bubbles really quick, crypto bubbles. And what do we see on the daily? On the daily, a mixture. You know, we have some ups and some downs. Oh, I have to do this. We're going to see, not too bad. Verifies me. I knew that was going to happen. I knew it. But I am streaming though. It's because whenever I use my VPN, it does stuff. So let me go ahead and just take that off then. Okay, so top left, there we go. So we have a mixture. We have some ups, some downs. Now, one thing that we're going to notice, we're going to see more of the AI agents popping up on the scene. And of course, once we start getting into the exchanges, we're going to start seeing more of that. You want to be in a group that is ahead of the game, or at least with the game. Now, is that saying that all these other tokens are not going to make money? No, they're all going to make money. Every single token is going to make money in this bull run. Jupiter, I love it. I love Radium. Those are the top 2 dexes on Solana. How do you buy these AI agents? With Jupiter and Radium. Or of course, you can use Phantom Wallet or something else. But these are the top 2 dexes for Solana. I think they're going to be great. I think they're going to be big. There's also TAI, not TIA, but TAI I really like. I really haven't done too much research on this one. There's so many coins to do research on. Here we have Radium. So I would definitely, meme coins, in my opinion, are going to do really well this season. And I actually posted this in my group. Man, I was literally up all night. I don't think I went to bed till like 6 or 7 in the morning. And start up again early in the morning. Let's go. My goal is to make my group money. So in this, I posted, I want to share this with y'all too. This one wasn't too bad. I posted this at 2 in the morning. It said the order of importance is AI agents, AI, memes, smart contracts, oracles, yield farming or staking, DeFi, and then gaming. Gaming is way, way at the bottom. Now, does it mean that gaming is going to make less? No way. Gaming could do more than something else. But for me personally, that's my order of importance. And, with the community that I have, that's what I'm going to be, very, very focused on. And this AI agent stuff, I kept on hearing about it, but nobody would actually talk about it or say what it does. Like, How is it helping? Is it just a coin? Like, what is it doing? Well, these AI agents, they are something else. No lie, they are something else. It's basically like Chat GPT. That's basically what it is. But it gives you like maybe even more information than Chat GPT would, because they're specified for that one job. So if you ask Chat GPT, let's say you put just a contract address in Chat GPT, would it do anything? I don't know. I've never tried it, but let's just say you did, and I would try it, but I don't want y'all to see all my stuff. Not that I'm doing anything bad, but it's stuff that I have for the group, research stuff. If you're interested, join the group. But anyway, so moving on. So virtuals is going to lead the market, in my opinion, in reference to all this AI, because you need virtuals, the token, to make these AI agents. Now, granted, there's other platforms, but this one is the main one. See here. Army Piper says, just drop the link in the Discord. And X, thank you, my friend. Thank you so much. Appreciate you greatly. Absolutely appreciate you. Let's see here. Who's here? We got French Toaster in the house. What's up, my man? We got Crypto Candy. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Dylan, how you doing? I'm doing great, man. Doing great. I'm pumped. I'm so pumped. Not only to make me money, but to change everybody's lives, whether it's in my group or on YouTube or wherever I go. I just want to help. And I'm really hoping this information that I'm providing right now is going to help. Because why would I focus on gaming when I know right now AI agents is the thing? It doesn't make any sense. So now, granted, could you do gaming so that when all these other fade out and this one starts coming up, you're ahead of the game? Sure. That's a great plan, in my opinion. However, I want to make money now. What's hot now? Do I think AI agents will go down? Nope. They're doing more and more and more and making life way easier. For me to do research on a project could take anywhere from 30 minutes to maybe 2 hours. Now, 30 seconds? Yeah. It's nuts. So just kind of give you a heads up. AI agents are where to go. Now, there's so many of them, though. That's the problem. There are so many AI agents. It makes it difficult. What's this? Why is this grayed out? Oh, because I was sharing. Ooh, that scared me. So there's so many AI agents, and we're going to get to one. It's an AI gaming agent. We're going to get to that in just a second. But just to let you know, this is what I'm doing. I literally all night long, and for the past few days, really, but last night for sure, all night long, research upon research upon research, and my group is benefiting from it. I put in the hours so you don't. There you go. Let's see here, going down the list. Smash those likes, guys. Yes, definitely smash the likes. I would appreciate it. All right. Let's see here. Army Piper. What's going on, my friend? What's going on? Okay, going down the list. All right. So we're all caught up. Once again, I do thank you for being here. Greatly appreciate you spending your time with me. Of course, always smash the like. That does help support the channel. It's something super, super easy, but sometimes we just forget. Now, what I won't forget is virtuals. We're in this token. This is a long-term hold for us, a mid to long-term hold for us. And this is going to be absolutely, I think it's going to be a beast. Because again, you need virtuals to create these AI agents. AI agents, in my opinion, not going anywhere. Now, let me know in the chat with a yes or a no. Have you got any, or do you even know, really, the coins that you're entering? Do you know if they're an AI agent? For example, or at least in that category. For example, virtuals. Have you traded virtuals? And if so, was it because it was an AI agent or a category, or where you need these to be to create AI agents? Or did you just see the chart, go to do your technical analysis, your TA, and be like, hey, I like how it looks, and you enter it? Let me know in the chat. I'm very, very curious, because first, when I was starting out, I didn't care about fundamental analysis. All I wanted to know was the chart. How is the chart going to make me money? I would look to see my lines, my levels. At that time, I was doing patterns, divergence, all that other fun stuff. And then I would enter based off of that. I didn't care about the fundamentals. What was the project? I didn't care. How was it going to make me money? Now I've evolved. And now it's, okay, technical analysis is very important. Also, what is it? Is it a meme coin? Does it have a purpose? Do they have a project? Is the project completed, or is it just in the beginning stages? Do they have partnerships? All this stuff is super, super important when it comes to getting these tokens, because this could lead to it moving faster or maybe not as fast. And in my opinion, AI agents, it's the way to go. We got username in the house. We can call off the search party. Username is in the house. What's up, my friend? What is going on? We got Alexandra G in the house. Today's Friday. For real? Man, time flies. I don't even know what day it is. What year is it? Is it still 2024? Good Lord. Oh, man. All right. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's get started on this. First thing I want to do is let's check this out. Now, lots of research, guys. Lots of research. Let's see here. So I saw this. I notified the group, and I actually, for my VIP group, I think I made like 2 videos on this already. And I think 1 or 2 audios, and then maybe like another 3 posts in reference to this and like what I'm finding, and just kind of a warning. More than anything else, it's a warning. All right. So let's get into this. What are we looking at? And for those of you who want to subscribe to me on the Twitter space, or X, it's Trade Intuition. Do I have that on here? I don't even know if I have that. I think I had it on my other one. No, I don't think so. Do I have? You know what? Just for giggles. Image. But I don't have it with the X, though. Let me do X. I don't have it with the X. Now, I would like to know what coins you would like me to do, or what questions you have. I would really like to know what questions you have. Any questions? Hey, we got something happening. What just happened? I can't see it. I can't see it. I was trying to do something else. See here. Oh, my favorite. My favorite. Very nice. Thank you very, very much. Let's see here. Very nice. You guys are the best. You guys are the best. But yeah, definitely reach out to me on the best place is really Telegram. That's the best. I'm always there. But here we go. Let's do a kind of a deep dive on this to see if it can make us money. This is what the game is all about. Making money. My goal is to make you money. So let's go. Here we go. This is, I don't know how to say this, TEVA. The TEVA era begins now. Claim your TEV. So let's go ahead and let's just click away. And this is what I was doing earlier. I was clicking away. Cute, like the website. And what I'm always doing is I'm looking at the website. How's the font? How the colors? Did it take them 10 minutes to do this, or what was their thought in this? I like this. So Tevaera, I guess, airdrop claim. So they have an airdrop. Introducing Teva, thank you, Tevians, I guess, Tevins. Okay, so there's an airdrop. Hype words, very, very exciting. There's an airdrop. And let's see here. So it's a gaming ecosystem. Now, what I like to do when I'm looking at this stuff, I like to do kind of tokenomics. Like, what is a token? What's the team? How are the tokens divided? Is it 80% for airdrops to where people are going to dump on me? or is it 20% for airdrops, 10% for advertising? Like, what's the tokenomics? What's the distribution? Retro Mike says Teva is my last name. I'm surprised. I thought it was your middle name. I'm really surprised. You guys are nuts. So then let's see here. Paving the path to decentralized gaming. So we have, this is how many has been minted. The NFT's been minted. So they've been doing some stuff. I haven't heard about them though. I'm not saying that I need to hear about them in order for me to, do stuff. But here they have games already. Web, Android, iOS. So they have games already, which is pretty cool and available soon. So they have a working project. This is a plus. So who is eligible for the airdrops? The criteria for the airdrops were developed and finalized. Man, big words. I can't even read these big words. Joe, how you a registered nurse? Man, I just gotta collaborative. I think this is a made up word. Google, is this a made up word? Collaboratively. Get out of here with your big fancy. I don't even like it anymore. Make me look dumb. Joe, you don't need that to make you look dumb. Oh, shots fired. Shots fired. Let me see if I can change this. Let's see, ISO. Change this. Too much light. Okay, whatever. Let's see here. So there's a transparent airdrop. Okay. The core criteria were no surprise. 3-1. So I guess you had to work for it. So Phoenix holders, you had to own the NFTs, I'm assuming, to get all these airdrops. And then you may just see when was a snapshot taken? Yeah. So November, a whole month. And was publicly shared with the community for rep and karma validation. Okay. What will happen to the unclaimed ones? They're going to be burnt. Okay. So making the first event of a deflationary supply. So that's good. But the thing is, how many are in circulation? That's the question. See here. Okay, so more about that. All right, so that was about the airdrop. And right now, there's a whole bunch of buzz right now in reference to this airdrop. I don't see anything else on their websites. There's nothing on the bottom. Their website finished. Learn more. Okay. See here, French Toaster said. See here, anyone have any issues with soul staking on Leverlight? No, I don't. I don't stake on Ledger Life. I need to start staking though. So here it talks about the airdrop. So here's the overview. So here would be the tokenomics. So here we go, tokenomics. I was looking for this earlier, and man, I think I was just going too fast, trying to get this information out there. So in my opinion, this stuff's important. I really do. I really do think this is important to whenever there's a token. Now this, I don't have the tweet for it. Oh yeah, here. So it's available. KuCoin, Get.io, Crypto.com, MEXC, PancakeSwap. So they're not messing around. And this was just done a few hours ago, like 4 hours ago, I believe. So they're not messing around. They put them on all these exchanges. So because of that, there's going to probably be a lot of hype. People are going to buy it initially to get dumped on. And I don't know if this is going to let me, Crypto.com maybe. I don't know. I don't know if it'll let me. We'll see. Everything always wants to ask if I'm human. Exchange. You just want to see if it's on here. Trade. Just want to see if it's on here. And then just to see the price action. Come on, trade. Can I not do this? I just want to see it. And click on anything. Man, I hate these websites, man. I just want to go on there and click. I just want to click. Let me click it. So let's go to MEXC. I don't think because of my stuff. I put back my VPN to here. So let's, so far, oh, I'm actually logged in. Nope, don't want to do that. Okay. So even with me having my VPN to the alleged US of A, I can still use MEXC. Give you a heads up. But there are some things that you need to do. If you're very curious on that, send me a message on Telegram. I will let you know. All right, moving on. Let's see here. So I mean, it's meme coins. You know, they're moving. This is really kind of turned into kind of how to do research instead of charts. So hopefully y'all are liking this. We're going to get to the charts in just a moment, but just to let you know, this, I did a video. Man, let me just see if I can do a quick snapshot. Okay. So this is a quick snapshot. This is MEXC. Right. And I did this 20 minutes before the show. 20 minutes before the show. Let's go ahead and do this over here. Let's go to this. Let's do this. This is what that coin looked like. And again, it's only been available. So this is like my little description for the video that I made. So I said, Teva, quick video, market cap is this, price action is this. Give the pros and cons of the price action, of the coin. So you can see it's right here, newly listed coin. As soon as it got listed, it pumped hard. This is why it's important to know the tokenomics. Like, who's dumping? That's what I want to know. Who is dumping? Is this a fair launch? I want to know more information. And the more I'm searching, the less I couldn't find anything. And of course, it already got released and everything. So I let my community know, if you enter a coin, it's very, very high risk, whether it's this coin or any coin, on a brand new world premiere type situation where nobody has it before. And it's not on the SOL network. It's not on the base network. It's nowhere. They put it out and they put it out to all these exchanges. You're going to have a whole bunch of hype and everybody, because it's a brand new coin, never been out, and it's going to drive up the price crazy. The problem is it's going to drive it up so fast. The only way you can buy it is if you market order, and you may be buying it at a higher price than what you were wanting. And then when it comes to selling, well, now more than likely, because it's going down so fast, you have to market sell. You're going to sell it a lot lower than you wanted to. These are very, very dangerous. Whenever there's a world premiere, I always recommend to wait a week before you buy. That way you can kind of see it, how if it went up and down, see what's going on. But this is extremely important when it comes to pretty much like world premieres or first time listings. Now, if this token was already listed on, let's say, MEXC, and now it's going on KuCoin, well, then that's a different story. Now, what you could do is you can have the thought process of buying this coin so that when it gets listed on KuCoin and there's more people that can buy it and there's more volume, well, now it drives up your coin. Same thing with the listing on Binance. This is why it's super, super important that I have this new group in my VIP to where I'm monitoring all this stuff. I'm doing a lot of monitoring so that when there's a new coin coming out, whether it's on KuCoin or Binance, and I know that it's on lower exchanges and it's a good coin, and I think it's going to boost our profits, I'll post it in the group and I'll say, hey, this can list it here. If you're not in the coin already, here's a chart, et cetera, et cetera. And then we go from there. Same thing with listings on crypto.com. What other ones? Coinbase. Like all that's where the new money is going. And I have a group specifically for that, so that we can know where the new money is going to have access to these new tokens. And you know it. I mean, you're on Coinbase. And, hey, new token. It's up 35%. Up 35. Let me buy it. That's what they're going to do. And we're going to be the ones that are going to be in those coins prior to the listings of that exchange. So that's the plan. That's what we're doing. That's what we've been doing. And it's been doing really well. Once again, working very hard so that we can make a lot of money. All right. And right now, I'm giving you all the tips and tricks. I literally just gave you the game plan to, if you wanted to, have that strategy. If it just kind of went over your head, you didn't get it, watch this again. Watch all of my videos. Every single video I give you ways to make money. Do you have to join the group to know these ways? Nope. I just gave them to you. This is what I do every single day, Monday through Friday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 4 p.m. Saturday and Sunday. No, 5 p.m. 5 p.m. Saturday and Sunday. That's what I do. You don't have to join my group to get this information. You just get it faster. You get more of it. You get updates on it. But if you just want to know about how to make all this money, join the group. I mean, not join the group. Watch the videos. Watch the videos. All right. Let's see here. Who's here, guys? Who is here? Put a 1 in the chat. Put a 1 in the chat. Let me know who's here. Is this stream dead? Is this stream dead? Oh, wow. I shouldn't have looked at the viewers. It's like you're going to go on a date. You're all dressed up. Got all, fancied up, cologne, everything. You got a haircut. You bought new clothes. Man, you're ready. You are ready. You're going to go out, to a dance or concert or whatever. And then, with this, attractive other person, whether you're male, female, whatever. And then you go and you open the door and you're like, oh, nobody's here. Whoops. Let's see. Retro Mike says 1.5, sick and bad. But listen, oh, thank you, man. So it's probably 1 o'clock, almost 2 o'clock in the morning. Thank you, brother. I appreciate you. Appreciate you greatly. For the ones who are here, I love you to death. I love you to death. It's very upsetting. Joe, stop doing that. That's how come the YouTube algorithm doesn't like you. It's very upsetting because I'm over here giving you straight up alpha without asking you to join my group to get this alpha. And YouTube doesn't want to hear it. However, if I'm over here selling you hopes and dreams and empty promises and flashy and this and that, there's thousands of people in that live stream. Yeah. One day, I would like to have, I think there was one day on my old channel, I had 136 people. That was the most I've ever had in my entire YouTube career. 136 people. Where's that little small violin? And that was only because I was entering this dumb coin that was a brand new release. It was Supra. This was like 4 years ago. It's the one who has all those other big collab people with him. Man, I forget what it was. But I think it was where people, oh man, I can't think of the name, where people, you have to own the token in order to get tokens allocated to you. Launchpad. It was a Launchpad. Evio Trades about his token. Did a live stream. And as soon as it entered, man, I got in and it's going great for about 13 seconds. And then boom, down 60% within seconds. I bought more, a lot. Boom, down 80% from that. I bought more. I bought like 5 or 7 times. A lot of money. I got wrecked live on air. But that was my most I've ever had. Other than that, 26. Yeah. Let's see here. Vic says, thank you for the video and information you put out. Thank you, brother. Appreciate you. Like that right there, it keeps me going. because I could not do this and just stick with my group and make my group money. But what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to show this to everybody. I'm trying to show everybody, like, you don't, there are people out there who want to give this information to you so you can make money, period. Instead of bamboozling you and tricking you. All right, let's get on the show. All right. I think we're going to do 10 minutes. We'll do 10 minutes. 10 minutes. I shouldn't have looked at the viewers. Man, I should have looked at the viewers. All right. So we'll do 10 minutes. We'll do 10 minutes. I see here, Dylan says, the TI family is here. You'll get bigger, man, soon. Yeah, I hope so, man. I really do. Joe, you're not going to get bigger if you keep on leaving early. So I need to make my group money, and I need to go back to research. I literally stop everything so I can do this, so I can make you money. And I greatly appreciate you guys for being here. I would like more people here. Joe, that's being selfish. Call it what you will. I want to help people. And can you imagine if y'all guys weren't here? I would literally have like one person. That is sad. If I did not have you here, man, that is so sad. Alexandra G, if you weren't here, I would have one less. Dylan, if you weren't here, I'd have one less. Hey, we got Juan in the house. What's up, Juan? Appreciate you, man. That is really, really sad. I don't even want to think. If I think about it for one more second, I just end the stream. I'm not going to do it. I'm gonna look at the chart because that is so sad. Wow. Let's see. Views are down even more so than casts. Everyone will flood in during the true. More views soon, Joe. Lots of people are on vacation right now. That's true. That's true. Get over it, Joe. All right. So on this, we were talking about this yesterday in reference to, I believe we did this on the Piper Academy show where I deleted everything and just let's start from scratch. And price action was here, and we were saying that, this is our anchored VWAP, or this is the volume. This is the average of the volume. For me, I just keep it simple. If it's above it, it's good. If it's below it, it's bad. There's more technical ways to look at it. But for me, I look at stuff in the most simplistic way. And to me, it works. Fire hot. Cold water cold. I would say ice, but ice can get hot. But here we go. Look, I came down here. Not good. We came up to our PLC point of control on our fixed range volume profile from this little range right at rejection, and then came down. Right now, this is the next area we need to look. This is basically saying, would I short? No. Right now, we're so close to the all-time highs. The market makers could easily come down here to where it's going to make it look like it's easy pickings for this low volume node. All that is there's not a lot of ups and downs. All that support resistance is literally straight up. And if we break this level, this orange level, this is from the previous all-time highs or previous bull run, we could come down very fast and easy. Here's our first level of true support. Price may come down, come up, get rejected again off of this area, break this, and then now, man. But what if the market makers are doing this? What if the market makers are tricking us to where we can think, oh, well, we're definitely coming way down here, and then just flip the script and go up? Now, is it better to be safe and wait just for a long? Or could you do a short? You can do a short right now if you want. I'm not. But Joe, all these people on YouTube and Twitter and everywhere else, they're just screaming and hollering, you didn't short? You didn't short? How come you didn't short? I told you to short. We're doing 7x leverage. And that's fine, man. Do you. Like, I don't want to be babysitting my trade. I don't have any time to babysit my trade. With all the research that I'm doing, I do not have time to babysit my trade. And this could easily flip. Look at if it came coming down, flip, coming down, flip, coming down, possible flip again. And now making a W. W stands for win. W means go, go, go. And then it goes up. So we'll see. We shall see. Let's see here. Hope everybody had a great Christmas. See here. Dylan says, you deserve more than you're getting at the moment, man. All the free work you're doing in the long end will work. I hope so. I really do. I would like to have a thriving community to where when I post, I get a whole bunch of likes and thumbs ups and everything. So that'd be great. Let's see here. Today's Friday. That's amazing. I didn't even know that. Can't stay, but thank you, Wickswife 589. Appreciate you greatly. Appreciate you. Thank you so much for being here. Appreciate you. All right. So yeah, we got about 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes, and then we're calling it a day. And I'm getting back to work. Making some more money. Making some more money for the group. All right. Before I go, I want to show y'all this. I want to give y'all alpha every single time. What is this? Is it this one? Whoa. Okay. So if you happen to see that, this is going to change the way you look at stuff, in my opinion. I'm going to give this, so there's a whole portion on phase 1. What you saw was part of phase 1. But this right here, let me do it like this. So it can be kind of like a tease. Gosh darn it. Man. Well, there's a little bit more to it than that. But gosh darn it. I was trying to do it as a tease. What can I make it as a tease? Doesn't even matter anymore. Let's see here. It doesn't even matter. So much for that. So much for that idea. All right. So this, in my opinion, is very important. There's 4 phases to this bull market, or to this cycle, period. 1, you have phase 1, the buying the bottom, which is basically right now. 2, phase 2 is when we're going to sell the tops. Phase 3 is when we're expecting it to come down. This is the bear market. And then we're buying the bottom. Phase 4 is, of course, the run up. So here is a strategy. Now, there's a little bit more to this. And this, I'm pretty sure I'll be having on my Patreon. I might have this for sale. I'm not for sure. But, of course, everybody who's in my VIP group, they get everything that I do is free to them. The indicator that I'm almost done with, I know I keep on saying that, but I'm almost done with it. The indicator, if it's, this indicator is going to do some work. This indicator is going to help you not hold the coins longer than you have to. But the indicator is just what I teach. So instead of having to do hundreds of hours of learning all the stuff that I teach, this indicator will literally show you, and this is the outline. Let's go over the outline together, guys. Buying the bottom, selling the top strategy, trade intuition. Phase 1 is buying the bottom. When do we start? Anytime before March 1st. Anytime. Right now it's before March 1st. We start now. The end date is March. So it's segments. And I've been referring to this for some time now. It's segments in the market that you can do certain things. I'm literally giving you the way to make tons of money. And the indicator that I have, of course, that indicator is free to all my VIP members. And then the indicator will be for sale for those who don't want to join the VIP, which I don't understand why you wouldn't, but it'll be available for purchase, and more details will go. But this right here, do you need the indicator? Nope, sure don't. Joe, you're a horrible salesman. You don't. Watch my videos. I give you all these tips and tricks. Now, granted, if you pay for the indicator, well, You're not going to spend maybe, I don't know, maybe 100 hours of watching my videos to get all the bits and pieces. It's in there. Same thing with the VIP group. It's in there. All right. So starting amount, let's just say it's 5,000 or 500 or $10. It doesn't even matter. Your first entry, wherever you're going to enter it, here you go. And then we're going to do the pull back entries. We're going to add more at 20% pullback, 30% pullback, 40%. Now, if you did not watch yesterday's live stream, I strongly recommend you watch it. I go through the thought process, the emotional side, along with the logical side, as far as should I enter? Should I take profit? Should I do my stop loss? Like, what should I do? This is powerful. Every single video that I do is to make you money, period. So if you have not watched it, watch yesterday's live stream. Make sure to smash the like on every single video you watch of mine. Make sure to leave several comments because that truly does help. And then hopefully, I don't even want to say the number of people we have in here, but hopefully it will double the amount of people. This right here is the strategy to buy low and sell high that nobody talks about. They say it after the fact. Oh, well, yeah. Oh, this is when you should have sold. When this and this happened. How come you didn't tell me in the moment? Oh, man, it's easy to be a Monday quarterback. It's really easy. It's hard to do it in the game. Because in the game, you have all these different variables. And then what happens if you sell too fast, too soon? Well, then now you don't brag about it. But what happens if you sell perfectly? Well, now you're the genius because join my group. This is what I did. Get out of here, man. This strategy, very easy, very basic. It will show you how to buy the bottom, sell the top. Easy. And I lay it out here for you. I even give you the objective. The objective, price action, making higher highs with higher lows. This is when you want to be buying. And then, of course, adding on the pullback. You do not want to be buying. Warning, warning. Here we go. Possible change of trend when price action fails to make a higher high and or a higher low. So they say, whoa, wait a minute. The trend may be changing. Let me kind of hold off a little bit. Let me take off these lower entries because they may start coming down. The action, cancel lower entries and prepare for phase 2. I am literally giving you the blueprint on how to absolutely kill it. And I really would love more people watching this. This is extremely embarrassing. This is extremely embarrassing. Empire, what's going on, my friend? What is going on? Then, of course, we have the pro tips. There's more pro tips. It's a little bit longer of a page, but there's more pro tips in this. But the pro tip is, one of them, use the magnet tool plus the horizontal ray and set an alert on the daily candle close. So this is, I don't just give you a broad statement. I give you very exact and how to do it. This is how I do my videos. This is how I do everything I do in my VIP group. I do not want there to be any questions. I don't. Now, if you have questions, great. Lay them on me. I love questions. I thrive on questions. The way I teach, the way I mentor is I literally go from the bottom on the way up. Because if you have a solid foundation, anything you put on it, it's going to last. But if your foundation is weak, man, why? So what I do is I go from the very bottom on up. I show you every single minute step. Now, granted, there may be a step or two that I might miss because I've done it so many times, I might have thought I've said it. So if that's the case, ask the question, whether it's here on live stream or in the VIP. And then not only will I answer it, but more than likely my team will answer it as well. Very talented team, very talented. So pro tip, use the magnet tool, daily candle pivots on the highs and lows. This way you can be aware of the possible trend continuation or reversal. And then, of course, a pro tip, also create a watch list for your active trades. That way it's much easier to just cycle through them every other day, maybe once a week, whenever you get time, maybe on payday, because now you're going to be adding to those coins. You can just cycle through them really quick. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. And then maybe you can have it as a subcategory. I've already added to these coins versus I need to add to these coins. And if you are curious on how to do trading view, yes. If you are curious on how to do trading view, I do have an actual playlist. So you go to videos and then you come down. It's a master series course on trading view. There's a 4-part section, and I literally go through almost every single thing on trading view. I go from top to bottom, left to right. If you want to get very familiar with trading view, check out my videos. I show you the who, what, where, when, and especially the how and the why. So every video that you watch, please definitely smash the like, leave some comments in there, and then venture on and see some of these other videos. Now, some of these are for members only, and these are YouTube member only memberships. This is not VIP members, but so there's a VIP group, and then I will sometimes trickle down some of the information that I put in the VIP group to the YouTube memberships. Of course, the higher the membership tier, the more you get. I try to help out everybody. Let's see here. So there's so many videos in here. They're 5 minutes, maybe 8 minutes long, that really do help out. For example, I really love this Tokenomics 101. Don't get wrecked. Token unlocks, very important. I talk about price prediction for Bitcoin. Let's see here. There's so many. This one is so important. This is the crucial factors every trader needs to know, but is often overlooked. Volume, liquidity, order books. If you do not know about this stuff, you will definitely move the coins if you buy too much of it. Do not wreck yourself. Everything I'm showing you is to save you time, save you money, save you all these headaches of like, why did I move? Why is the coin up so high now? I go over all this. There's so many videos on here that will truly help your game. It really will. So definitely watch this. Order book secrets. 100 people watch this. 100 people are smarter on order books. Definitely watch this. All right. Moving on. Let's see here. And that's pretty much it. I mean, there's more to this. I have all of the phases. And this, of course, I'm going to create as a PDF. And then this is also going to be given to the VIP members, in addition to a video explaining this thought process, in addition to the indicator. If you're interested, do I even have that up? I don't even know if I have it up. Here we go. I still have this one. This is an old one. This is from Black Friday. But if you want to join, $7.99, 12 months, 1 month for free, you get all this stuff. Chart setups with the exact price to enter. It's not buying this zone or anything like that. It's the exact price. So many groups, they'll do, buying this zone. Man, let me show you something. This is one of my pet peeves is seeing this. They'll do something like this. This will be in a group. They have this type of setup, to where, it's underneath this area. And then they have this right here. And to me, it's just a pet peeve of mine. And then they'll have another one down here. And then they'll have this setup. Now, you may be following people that do this, and they may be very, very, it's just a pet peeve. It's just like somebody chewing with their mouth open. I don't like setups like this. Because unless this one breaks or fails, you're right. This, to me, in my opinion, anybody can do. Telling you when, not financial advice, of course, but saying when to actually enter and to the exact placement of your stop loss due to your entry, it takes way more skill. than doing something like this, in my opinion. I could be completely wrong. If there's somebody you watch that does this, there's nothing wrong with this. It's just my pet peeve, just like the clicking, just like with the keyboards, for example. And the part that I don't like about it the most, and I'm still in this guy's Discord, very cocky, very arrogant, very, I told you, and y'all didn't do this, and look, everybody's saying this, and I'm doing this, and look at me, I'm right. But then when he's wrong, he'll say it sometimes. Hey, you know what? I was wrong. So that's what I like about him. Now, this is not Alex O. For those of you who think so, this is not definitely the Alex O is complete opposite of this dude who I'm referring to. But with this being said, if it does this, he's right. If it does this, well, he got stopped out, but he comes down here, he's right. And he'll post this one. And then he'll brag about how great his setups are. Anybody could do this. Now, what you could do instead is say, enter now, have a lower bid here, because you think it's going to come down. So the lower bid, in my opinion, would be better than doing something like this. It's just my pet peeve. And I see a few people doing this. It's like, to me, it takes more skill doing what I do. Now, granted, I could be wrong. We got something here. Let's see here. Correct me if I'm wrong, Joe. So let's see here. Dylan says the indicator is for entries, selling, and to keep the greed away. It takes out the emotion and shows the facts. Correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah, that's exactly right. That's exactly right. So it's the concepts that I teach, but now you have it in an indicator. So potentially it takes away the emotion. And not only that, but I'll be showing it almost like every day in the group, or if y'all want updates for the group, these are the tokens that we're in. Right now we're crossing this level, sell 25%. Take your profit. I will be that voice in your ear to, granted, not financial advice, sell. And then you're going to be so happy that you did, because, when it comes down, it's going to come down hard and fast. Do I have Ethereum on here? Whoa. So this is, let's see here. So this is the indicator. So let me take these off. I do want to show this. Okay. And the part that I only have one calendar. Okay. So the part that I love about it is, it gives you zones. So you have an idea of how long when you start here, you know that this is the possible end dates. Possible. And again, no one's going to know because it's going to be in the future. Nobody knows. But at least you have a possible end date of what's happened before. And so this kind of like a meter saying how much we've accomplished. And then you'll have a label here saying 45 days left. And then as it keeps on going, this meter fills up, or this in between these bars fill up. And now I'm at the halfway mark, 30 days left. And then when this happens, now you're like, okay, now it's time to sell. So there's so many different things that are telling you, switch your mind, switch your thought process from being bullish to now taking profit. This I wish I had when I started. I wish I had this to where, because the greed will get to you. Man, I'm making so much money. I've never seen so much money in my life. Not all in one place. Guys, I'm telling you, I have never seen that much money in my life. And it was great. It was great. It was Tony the Tiger. And then I started diversifying. I'm putting a lot of money. I don't even want to say, for me personally, I don't like saying dollar amounts. This is why I always say I have $14. For me personally, if you say, I put 50,000 here, 20,000 here, blah, blah, great. That just means you have a lot of money. For me, I don't say money amounts. It's just me. It's just my personal preference. So, and again, that's why I always say I have $14, et cetera, et cetera. But I put a lot of money in different sectors because I made so much, a lot of money. And then market came down, lost a crap load of money. I don't even want to tell you how much money I lost. Will I do that again? Nope, sure won't. I will stick to what made me money. I will stick to how I made the money, and I am going to implement how to keep my money. Hence this indicator. And this indicator will be for all of my members. And of course for sale, but just kind of let you know. All right, moving on. Let's see here. I love spaghetti. I'm going to make me some spaghetti. I think I need to. Let's see here. I'm going to make me some spaghetti. All right. So I forgot why I came over here. I don't really listen to myself. But yeah, it's gonna make us a lot of money, guys. It really is. All right, so that's the show, guys. That's the show. My goal is to double the viewership. My goal is to double the viewership because I believe I have stuff that could help people. Just people don't know about it. All right, so I'm gonna go cry in the restroom, the closet, in a corner. I don't know, but no, I'm playing. I gotta get back to work. So this is my relaxation time from all the research that I do, and I love doing this. I love charting. Oh, we didn't even get any charts. It's okay. We don't have any time anyway. But let's see here. See, isn't the reason you bind the indicator to forget to be updating your entries? See, isn't the reason you bind the indicator to forget? All right, isn't the reason you bind the indicator? Okay, so in reference to the indicator, do you need the indicator? Nope. You can do. You can put all this as it's less work for you to maintain it if you do it manually. But all this stuff I teach. Now, would I recommend the indicator? Yes. Why? Because you don't have to manually do it every single time. Like it goes with the price action. So as it's going, oh, here's where I put my entry, versus having to do the the price range tool to see where your levels are at and then place your orders. And it's just less work. It's easier to do the indicator. But I show you how to do all this. As a matter of fact, I explain how to do all this. So you don't need to buy the indicator. It'd be better if you did, though. Faster for you. Big time. And not only that, but on all the coins you're going to be doing, it's going to save you a lot of time. A lot of time. All right. So that's it for me, guys. I do thank you very much. And Alexander Z says it the correct way. Have a great weekend, guys. Have a great weekend. Let's see here. What's going to be the price for this indicator? I haven't decided yet. It's going to be pricey, though. I'm going to tell you right now. It's going to be pricey. So, in my opinion, I don't know. I don't know how much pricey is. It's going to be a good amount, though. Because, in my opinion, I think that's, I don't even know. I might flip a quarter for it. Is it going to be this price or this price? It's going to make you money, though. It's an investment. So that's how you have to think of it. It's an investment. This investment is going to ensure that you buy the bottom and sell the top. Like, how much is that worth? $1,000? $5,000? Well, my indicator is going to be less than that. So we'll put it that way. My indicator will be less than that. And for everybody in the VIP, they get it for free. All right. That's all I got, guys. I do thank you so much. Until next time, remember, what do I want you to remember? DYOR. Do your own research. Never trust me. Ooh, man, don't trust me. Never trust anybody. Always verify. Always verify. Right now, we have to treat each part of the market for the segment that it is, for the portion that it is, and we trade accordingly. I do thank you so much. I'm here to make you money every single day, Monday through Friday, and Saturday and Sunday. All right, guys, take care. We'll see you as always. Let's make this money. Take care. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's going to save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. Like, it's super important. Now, if you're in the VIP, I have videos that are 3, 4, 5 minutes long on average. If you want to make money, I will show you how. I would offer the free group, but it's already full. I have a huge wait list. So more than likely, if I do let 3 or 4 people go, the spots are filled. Not only that, but when people do sign up for the VIP because they're making money in the free group, I am very, very invested to make you money in this free group so you can get the VIP. When those people leave the free group and get into the VIP, well, there's just so many more people that are trying to take their spot. I would strongly recommend getting the VIP. You're gonna make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's never hopes and dreams and empty promises, nothing like that. See what I do. See if this makes you money. I give you my real life experience based off of my trainings, based off of my teachings, what I would do at that moment versus what everybody else does, because they want to sell you their course. They want to sell you all that stuff. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money. All right, guys, thank you so much. We will see you soon. Take care.